In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you pop-up in Elementor. Creating a thank you pop-up in Elementor is a fantastic way to engage with your audience after they've completed an action on your website, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. It's a simple process that can enhance user experience and show your appreciation. Now let's dive in and create one together. Firstly, you'll need to access your website's WordPress login page. This is where you'll enter your login credentials to access the backend of your website. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your website's content and appearance. It's from here that you can navigate to various sections, including the templates section, which is where we need to be next. On the left hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled templates. Click on it to expand the sub-menu. Among the options available, you should see a selection for pop-ups. Click on pop-ups, and this will redirect you to the page where you can manage your pop-up templates. Once you're on the pop-ups page, you'll notice a button that says Get Pop-up Builder. This is a crucial step because the pop-up builder is the tool that will allow you to design and customize your thank you pop-up exactly how you want it. Click on Get Pop-up Builder, and a new interface will appear, letting you get creative with your pop-up design. Here you have the freedom to explore different templates and design options provided by Elementor. You can adjust the style, set the trigger conditions for when the pop-up should appear, and customize the content to align with your website's messaging. Remember, the key to a successful thank you pop-up is ensuring that it reflects gratitude and encourages further engagement from your visitors. Be sure to personalize the message, maybe offering a discount code for their next purchase, or simply a heartfelt thank you. Once you're satisfied with the design of your pop-up, you can save it and set it live. From here, your thank you pop-up will automatically appear to users under the conditions you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully created a thank you pop-up using Elementor in just a few easy steps. With this new skill, you can continue refining and creating pop-ups to enhance visitor interaction, ensuring that every engagement is met with warmth and a touch of professionalism. Happy designing, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your website with Elementor. Thank you for watching.